Hi, Peter.
Sorry.
It's okay,
It's okay.
Mom.
Hello. Sorry ya. Đây, cầm giúp.
Hi,
Hello,
Peter.
teacher.
Good evening, Peter. It's wonderful to see you again. How are you now, Peter? You're so
I'm fine.
handsome, Peter.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, make yourself comfortable, Peter.
Mọi người đến luôn được. Học thêm sao cái này? Ừ. Câu hỏi là gì đây? With me.
Okay. Tell me once you're ready, Peter.
Quý. Nothing to. But has that you?
Okay, tadi. Okay.
Okay, a lot better now. Thank you so much for that, Peter. Okay, so how are you today? What did you do today, Peter? Peter, can you
Okay.
hear me? What did you do
Yes.
today, Peter?
I'm watching.
Oh, just watch TV. Wait, did you watch a football match?
No. Um. Uh. Um.
What did you watch?
I'm watch video game.
Okay.
I
But
watch YouTube.
do you know, Peter, that there's a football match between Vietnam and Malaysia?
No.
Oh, no, you don't.
Is Vietnam with Thailand. Thai.
Oh, that will be on Sunday, Peter. Sunday.
Okay.
This Sunday. But I think on Wednesday, Peter, last Wednesday, there's a match in Hanoi, right?
Yes.
Vietnam versus Malaysia. But since they won, Peter, then on Sunday it will be Vietnam versus Thailand.
Yes.
Okay. Did you watch it?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you did. I see you. You really are a fan, Peter. Okay, please make yourself comfortable. And yes, we will start now, Peter. We'll have a quick review first of the pictures we have in here. Can you tell me, where is this, Peter? Where are they?
They are in restaurant.
Yes, what do we call her, Peter? She is serving the food. She is, what's her job?
She is I don't know.
Server, Peter. Server.
Okay.
Or we also call them a waiter. Okay, so you can call them waiter or server. Now, next one, Peter, what's this place?
Um, it's a stadium.
Yes, it is. That's right. What about this one?
Um, is I don't know.
Where is it, Peter? See, he is making a coffee, which means he is
Um,
at the,
is cafe.
yes, cafe. That's right. Okay, next one.
Is a bar.
Yes, it is a bar. Very good. What about this one?
Is a park.
Yes.
Park.
Yeah, it is a park, Peter. Next one.
Um, I don't know.
It's an amusement park. Okay, amusement park, Peter. Now, what about this?
Um, is
What are they doing in this place, Peter? What are they doing? They are?
They are watch a film.
Yeah, they're watching a film. So, where are they? They are
Um,
at the,
cinema.
okay, cinema or movie theater. Okay, movie theater. Next one now that this is a
Uh, is I
not
don't
a
know.
bar. Okay, it's a nightclub. Nightclub.
Nightclub.
Yes, it is a nightclub, Peter. Now, let us have this one again. What does it mean when we say nervous, Peter?
Nervous. Is is
Eh?
I can say it in English.
Okay, now when we say nervous, Peter, can you still remember I connected it to feeling uncomfortable, right? Okay, so it means you are worried or afraid about something, or basically you are not comfortable in a certain situation. Like, for example, I am nervous to talk in front of the class, which means you are not comfortable, you are not confident in standing and talking in front of your classmates. Now, Peter, let us have these ones. Okay, what are they doing here, Peter?
Um, they are they are
Going
going camping.
camping.
Going picnic.
Yes, going on a picnic. That's correct. What about them?
Um, is talk.
Yes, they are talking. Next one.
Um, is love.
Okay, yes, they are laughing. What about in here?
Is uh
They are having
um
is it breakfast,
having
Peter?
is dinner.
Yes, they're having a dinner. What about them?
Um, is watching a film.
Okay, yes, they are indeed. In here, Peter?
Is coffee having coffee.
Okay, yes, they are having a coffee. Very good. What about this one?
Um, is watching a football match.
Very good. That's correct. And the last one?
Um, is uh
Yes.
doing
Okay, yes, it's to have a drink or drink beer. That's correct, Peter. Now, let us proceed to exercise six. In here, Peter, you have to read the dialogue aloud with me and fill in the blanks, and you will be Nina. Okay, let us try looking at the answer pool once. Peter, we have watched, was, felt, ate, on, had, and went. Okay, now let us try. Can you remember a first date you went on?
um. Yes, I can eat. Uh, eat. I don't know.
What do you think? Okay, let me give you options, Peter. Is Was, are, or were?
Yes, it can. It it was 5 years
Okay.
old. Years
5
ago.
years ago. I went.
I went. I went. I went. I went.
I think I have to show you the answer pool again. I went.
I went. When what? When was?
Is it I went to watch? I went.
What?
Not I went to watch, Peter. I went, which means I go.
I went.
I went. I went.
I went.
What do you think?
Is I went.
I went.
I
We have
went.
here I went, Peter. I went.
I went.
Okay, wait. Let me copy this one and I'll just delete it right after. I went.
I went on a date.
Continue
went
reading, Peter. Yes, I went on a date.
with another university student.
Where did you go?
We went to a restaurant and a movie theater.
What did you do?
What we eat dinner together. We ate
We
dinner.
had. We had.
We had dinner together at the restaurant. We had a drink and ate some nice food. We talked and laughed a lot. Then we watched a movie.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, at the beginning, I were really
Not I were. I.
really I
Look at the answer pool, Peter. Did you enjoy yourself?
yes, at the beginning I felt really awkward, but at the end I felt more relaxed. It was a fun first date.
Okay, yes, very, very good, Peter. That is correct. Now, can you tell me what it means when we say awkward?
I can say it in English.
Can you try, Peter? When we say awkward, it means are you comfortable, Peter? Or not? When we say awkward, Peter, does it mean that you are comfortable or not comfortable?
It's not comfortable.
Yes, you are nervous, Peter. Okay, you are not at ease. Okay, you are not being yourself. That is what awkward means. Now let us proceed to exercise 7, ordering. Peter, can you tell me your answer for 1?
Um, it was 4 years ago.
That's right. What about for 2?
We watched a game sport.
Is it a game sports? We watched a sports game. Okay, sports game. And for 3,
What did you do?
good. 4,
Went to to eat dinner and we went to a restaurant and ate dinner.
okay, that's correct. Now, Peter, what about for 5?
Did you enjoy yourself?
Job. 6,
I felt begin. I felt nervous at the beginning.
good, Peter. 7,
Where did you go?
and the last one.
We laughed a lot.
Okay, that's right, Peter. Now let us proceed to your turn answering these questions. Last meeting, you told me that you went on a date with your friend, right? Can you still remember it? Last meeting, you told me you went on a date with a friend.
Lần gặp trước, bạn nói với tôi là bạn đi hẹn hò với một người bạn.
Yes.
Okay, where did you go, Peter?
I'm go to play in it's a happy birthday for a friend
Oh, okay.
and that in KFC.
Oh, okay. A KFC date. Okay, after that, Peter, what else did you do?
I don't understand.
What did you do, Peter? Did you talk? Did you laugh? Did you play games?
We play a board game. Love talk together and we talk together.
Oh, okay. I see. Now, how did you feel? How did you feel during that time?
I feel
I felt. Did you feel sad?
No, I feel
How did you-
happy.
No, really happy. Are you referring to a friend that is a girl, Peter, or a
No.
boy?
A boy.
Oh, do you have friends who are girls?
Yes.
Oh, yes, too. But you don't go on a date with them.
Yes.
Okay, I see. That is perfectly fine, Peter. Thank you so much. Now, let us have 28. Okay, can you tell me what is your favorite outfit, Peter?
I don't understand.
Wait. What is your favorite outfit?
Bạn thích mặc trang phục nào nhất?
My favorite outfit is um, I not have
Yes.
I not have an outfit.
Okay. Like for example, my favorite outfit is a dress, Peter, or yeah, a white dress. What about you, Peter? What is your favorite outfit? A t-shirt and shorts? What is it?
I like a t-shirt and shorts.
Oh, t-shirt and shorts. What's your favorite color, Peter?
It's red.
Oh, it's red. Okay, a very bright color. I see. Just red. What about white?
Yes, white
Yes.
and black.
Oh, white and black. Oh, we're the same, Peter. I love white and black and pink. Okay. Thank you so much for tonight, Peter. That would be all it. And I'll see you again on Sunday. Goodbye, Peter.